evening, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Upnlive Show. We have missed you. We've been out for the past couple of weeks, but don't worry, we are here. Make sure that you do the most important thing right now to hit the share button, send the thing to a couple of your brethren, then make them forward over. Yes, so make all a reason and all a joy. You understand? Remember, we are your Upnlive Show team. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by Shish Prince. And we'll be having a special lady later on in the show. You know, she buzzing, and she'll come with a bag of vibes and beer things. Lady Danger will be joining us a little later on from now. But you don't know, we're going to talk about what going on there, my G.
Why?
By the way, welcome back.
No, thank you.
Thank you for joining us with your presence.
So, you know we do the whole quarantine thing done.
Yes.
All of that done. So,
and
people who wonder why go on and you didn't see me for a while.
Yeah.
Member say, I saw you go now. Allah, we have to just follow the thing.
Yes.
We have to do the right thing, even though it don't make no sense.
Yes.
But we have to follow the law.
Yes. The
and the law,
rules are
yeah.
there.
All right.
And in regards to quarantine and COVID-19, obviously we say it's still there and the new variant and weird things. There are several people that we know that have been affected by it, and we just want to send our best wishes to them to get well soon. Just get well soon, and we hope for soon back on the gravel soon.
Yeah. That's something there.
That's something there. Get well soon.
What we start the argument, because a whole heap of things are going on in the world.
So, all right, latest news, Jamaica's new curfew updates.
No, say, them gone back to that something there.
Yeah, them reverted. So, as of today, the 27th, the new curfew hours will be from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. on weekdays. And on Sundays and the upcoming public holidays, that's Emancipation Day, which will be observed on Monday, August 2nd, and Independence Day on Friday, August 6th. The curfew time will be from 3 p.m. to 5 a.m. So when 3 p.m. forward, make sure 2:59 if you say. Make sure it's in the yard.
Me just want elaborate on something.
Yes, go ahead.
So me see if Jamaican people if not idiot. Because when you see what the Anju free up a country can birthday forward.
Yeah.
And just after I'm birthday, lucky back don't come realize it's a public holiday.
Yeah.
And people me can tell you, say these curfew and lockdown measures,
Foolishness.
it's garbage.
Yep.
Total trash.
Yep.
I go down to go see it and I tell you, remember me over here, I tell you a long time, say, if you are staying and when I resort them, the rule don't apply to you.
Yeah. Which is complete.
If you're there in a one resort, you don't quarantine, you don't nothing, no rules not apply.
Yeah,
You're good to go. So if you go down there, you want to skip the quarantine thing, buy one night or somewhere.
Stop talking to secret. Jump in MDM for information.
You skip all like quarantine something because Andrew style the Jamaican them.
Yeah.
It come like say, yo, we get the worst treatment in our own country.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I say?
Yeah.
So what they again, if you tell us say, all the things that are away.
Yeah.
So a recent video come out with one more smarty.
Right.
I object to the curfew
Right.
and him go about for call Andrew Wellness Batman and a bag of things.
Yeah.
And police go take him out of bed hours a night like gunman.
Yeah.
Seeing?
Yep.
So that means in a Jamaica, we don't have this thing what them call freedom of speech anymore.
Mm-hmm.
So that law don't apply. So a man can't say what he want to say about somebody again.
And plus him did under
and
alcohol.
them not lock you up.
And him did under alcohol. Anyways, and
And
it
all
really
these-
does, that's not an excuse anyway.
All these type of thing. When you lock up the man, when you not real, because I don't think them family charge him, but uno as the police, I make video, if you post to the boy and thing like that. What about people? Rights. As a citizen of Jamaica, if say, yo, the police, them can't make video of you and post it without your consent. What about them sitting there? Andrew, why you never step in from the first time?
When the first
situation happened.
Yeah.
That means you approve what the police are do.
Definitely.
That means you give them authority to go there. Go chastise people as soon as them call Andrew name in their mouth. Them lock up like gunman. Remember much gunman there at Jamaica,
And
you know? You can't find them. How much shot of fire and bag of things are going on. Pitney get raped, Pitney get beat to death. Man a kill woman and all kind of thing. You can never find the killer them. But as soon as you call bro God name,
them find you.
them fine. Anyway you leave them come take you out of your bed.
All way you not leave them,
So
find you.
when you look at them sitting there and tell me say if them thing are right in a Jamaica, then now what they hold on and jump for joy and me man I say yo, we no bother call bro God name too much because see him open up back the country.
Yeah, but
We don't give him no respect and a joy for them sitting there because the country for open up because you want to put your people them the citizens of the island on curfew and in
Everybody
a hotel
else.
and the tourists them are two different things because remember you know towards the Jamaica like rice grain, you know.
We know this. We
All
said this
about
already.
I go all kind of things. I remember what kind of we call it. What kind of highlight certain thing. I did like a party in a Ritz Cafe where certain man highlight them. You know, big up Kentucky, you know, cause him the highlight certain thing, but he's not on the island at the moment, so him now doing regular life them. Fi kind of educate
Show
people
and-
who are
right,
go on in the
right,
country.
Right.
Because people nowadays on social media, they're more focused on the fuckery them we are going. This a money and this a rare. No fi focus what are going on in the country because we know say Anju, I deal with Jamaica like a North Korea will live. We know say what are going. We think a joke.
Aye, sir. So he continues to say that the COVID situation will be closely monitored over the course of the next 2 weeks to determine the measures that will apply. So these measures that they've put in place is until the 10th of August. So on the 11th, they will review it and let them know whether or not
What you know?
it's going to
Me can tell you. Them probably free it up a little bit for Jamaica. No, it will lack for independence.
It's going to be closed for independence.
So we not keep the independence baller.
No.
We not free it up a little bit after that. For the rich
Have a
friend them
break,
and no go laugh. Ho 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 ho. And the whole and sit down and drink. Them see a style and draw style people in Jamaica. And me no see who no see it. How long? So me just say yo. Here we go on now. All of uno we out there. I say we not a big labor right and a diet labor right. Me no see how fool some wanna be. When I go take him money and go vote for Anju. Give him 4 more years and see. I won't suffer down there no cause as bad as things be, me there UK and member Barris not so right it, but you see I one thing over here. Anything fuck with them keep up. We go black.
Of course.
We go black road and mash up things over here. So me I wonder if Jamaican gone off. What go on at Jamaica? Not even road now black at Jamaica again, you know.
So people in my eye.
Me I wonder if Jamaica gone off.
People, some Afri Roots HQ, big up yourself. Them say COVID are only forward out a night. All Star Entertainment, Mr. Sean said SYM.
My name can't come lock up a
And
man.
that,
Careful.
me I say, my name forward and finding a man.
Here we go on now. So, remember say this COVID thing, it was all imported to our island. Remember, you know, come from down there. Remember, you know, Anju, when you lock up a country first, when none there, down there, lock down your whole airport them and everything. Because you say you didn't want to down there, because here we know. There's a Jamaican now foreign things in here. See, whole of foreign lock up. See, you say, I'm lock up Jamaica now. You lock up a whole of foreign, saying, you lock up a whole of Jamaica to foreign. Now, you say the vaccine out there.
Yeah.
We don't have a whole of a vaccine, a stone dog and beer things. Saying, remember the first world country, them like the America, where everything them do, when you follow, if America sneeze, Jamaica catch cold. Remember the whole of America opening, you know.
Right.
Pay a big dance, everything I go on up. Andrew, remember me I tell you from a long time.
Right.
You see the whole of the part of them, remember them migrated from Jamaica, Ghana, America. So see the whole of Dreams Weekend fuck up at Jamaica now, the one we are keep on the grill. See them, are the one we are keep on New York, are there one they are shot.
And then everybody are fly out for go to it. And
Everybody, so if you have visa and you have a little money, you just like so zoops.
Yeah.
And say later for Jamaica, cause bro gotta fuck up a thing. Right now, we soon have to buy back the culture from foreign, you know. Our culture is soon sent back from foreign in a different package. We say made in America, but original Jamaican culture. Because of them, you see them thing, what them name and nurture like with reggae music.
But
and with the culture.
I was just
when
about
them
to
out
say.
from day one and say, yo, the dirty Rasta man, them with the high grade weed and them look at one cliff and thing. You see, in a word here, when them say, right, them a run a little program, them a free up the ganja thing.
Right.
Who is the first running in pan it? Them never give dibs to the original Rasta man them where I do them thing from long time. Yeah, are them rich friend. You know, the man them we can open one little place down at town. Now New Kingston and one little place, one little weed shop. Them on alright about the little Rasta man we are selling. Them half pound of ganja and half pound of this one police like them up same way. Need to live up half of them thing there. Them thing they need to live up.
Foolishness. But over here, back in the UK, back home, we have quote unquote Freedom Day. Freedom Day was the 19th of July, which was last Monday. And a bag of people, you know, everybody excited because certain measures have been lifted.
Yeah.
So a lot of people took the opportunity for, you know, host them event and rate. Unfortunately, there was one event that we were all looking forward to. Magnum Friday's late brunch that was supposed to happen on Sunday, but unfortunately, the organizers have already apologized for the cancellation of it, and you will be getting your refunds. But don't forget, they will be making up for, persons not being able to attend the event. So make sure that you stick and stay onto their Instagram page for more details on what is going to be happening later on this year.
Yeah, I just one of them thing the people
Yes.
don't know Magnum Friday, the brunch, something that I look forward for
Yes.
it because like that event there, people.
Yeah.
No, if that one that they keep,
It would have
no, it's
slap
wicked.
way.
It would
It
be
would
a
have been
wicked
a really
event.
great one.
You get what me I say?
And
Big up all of the people who would do them events
Yes.
over the week we passed.
Dancehall episode.
So big up Mixmaster, them I don't know. Big up
Mixmaster,
Dancehall episode.
Right. And
Good
everybody
event.
else.
Nice little event
Sparks,
to go on.
big up yourself,
Big up
bro.
Sparks. Everybody we do them little event.
Everybody who hosted something.
Yeah.
Big up,
Big up on
yourself.
yourself because you don't know. Me like when the promoter them try something new
Yes.
and attack the market with some different side.
Yes.
You see, one thing me have to commend the UK promoter them on.
Yeah. The ever changing and
No,
ever
the UK
growing.
me have to commend them on for this summer. Like me see the decor
Yes.
them, the decor them up.
Yeah,
Big up
that's what
movie
I'm
star
saying.
Johnny, like for your party, I one of the first party them will
Always.
keep
Mm-hmm.
this year. When me say yo, the decor up because me tell you that where my good things them go a party, you know.
And
And
it
it look like I
dirty.
don't have garden be there. No a real thing. And a boom Sunday. And I don't have one little lane of them place there.
My God.
If they are foreign, you have to go in a one little venue and the background look nicer, you know.
Right.
Say a foreigner there, you put
right.
on all the nice clothes, the expensive things and go out. Yeah, you want some nice venue and some nice settings.
Yes.
We can bring off a thing cause you see how it a work out for the promoter them now. If a man spend him little money and tell a man say, yo, I this for come in and you sell one cabana for this money. People might find it and the people might pay for it, the people might work for
Because
it
it's
with it.
needed.
Needed,
We've
the
said
little
it before,
settings
it's
needed.
It's needed. And on that note, can we just jump into the upcoming events now?
Yeah, go
Shall we
on now.
just do that? So, we say road open up. So, on Friday, King Terror's 30th birthday party, which is the red and black edition, will be happening at Silks Catford, London. You can go over to his Instagram page. There's a very important notice that is there. Please, ladies and gentlemen, go over, read the information, get your tickets. There are birthday bookings that are available. Call the number. Please remember that doors close at 2 a.m., so you don't want to miss that one. And on the Saturday, the 31st of July.
No, you're going too far yet.
What do you mean?
Thursday first. You're going on Saturday.
I was on Friday.
You say Saturday.
Yeah.
The 31st of July. You have to go Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What is happening on Thursday?
Thursday is Tipsy Thursday. You have
Tipsy Thursday every Thursday.
yeah, the divas them from Jamaica forward for that one
It's
day.
next week.
They're not that weekend, man.
No.
Another weekend.
No, it's the 5th. The 5th is
the
next
5th.
week.
Okay,
Yes.
my bad. Sorry, apologies.
Well, it's a little excited. Let me just double check there. It's the 5th.
Yeah, but people, you know that's something.
Yeah, every Thursday. Yeah, sorry.
Remember-
My apologies, Lady Sassy. Tipsy Thursday every Thursday. At a North London location.
Yeah.
Make sure say always support. Yeah, that's next week. Always go out and support Lady Sassy and the Tipsy Thursday family, right?
Support the people. Them Suave Friday, see me.
Suave Friday on
South
a Friday.
London, you know that's something.
Exactly.
Suave Friday is back. Go over there, go check in people, because you
yes.
don't know where you go.
And on
Last Friday did mad. Who did they can't tell you about it?
yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're jumping over to Friday. On Friday, Beanie G will be hosting his very first birthday bash, which is called A Touch of Blue. Saturday the 31st of July with special guests and performances, DJs on the night. Actually, we're going to ask him he's going to be on the line with us shortly. Beanie G, are you with us now? Hello? Hello?
Beanie G, what go on? Yeah, you what go on?
Can you hear us, Beanie G?
Hello. Let's work with the Beanie G connection.
We'll work out the Beanie G connection in the meantime. So the 1122 Management and Starpoint Entertainment presents award-winning, notorious, energetic figure in the UK dancehall scene representing the Lion season. So it's Beanie G's birthday batch, A Touch of Blue. The location is the Mix Dalston, which is 588A Kingland Road, London, E84AH. It's not going to be a normal event. It's going to be a very, very great one. Beanie G, are you with us now?
I'm here.
Hey.
Good night.
Good night. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you doing?
We're good. We're good. We're good. Thank you for joining us. So since you're on the line, just tell us a little bit more of what is going to be happening on Saturday, please.
Okay. All right. So first of all, big up the whole Upnlive team.
Big
You
up
know, say
yourself,
one
bro.
of my people. Dean?
Yeah, man.
All right. So 31st of July, this
Yes.
Saturday, it's my actual birthday. Yeah.
Mhm.
So that's the actual day when my mom gave birth to me. You know what I mean? So
Okay.
it's not just my birthday bash day, it's my actual earth song. So it's a
Okay.
special day. You know what I mean? It's my first really, I want to say it's my first party, but
Yes.
it's the first time that I've kept something on this scale where, you know, it's in like a venue and planning and color coding and all this kind of stuff. Yeah.
Nice. Yes.
So
Yes.
it's going to be exciting. It's going to be thrilling. It's going to be entertaining. It's going to be a night of surprises
Okay.
and special appearances and special giveaways. And I mean, listen, you just need to be there.
Okay.
At 31st of July,
Yes.
this Saturday.
Yes.
It's a club in Dalston.
Mhm.
You don't want to miss it.
So
Believe
BDG,
you me.
So where?
so where can people get like pre-sold tickets to buy?
Okay, good question.
Mhm.
So the tickets they can get on Eventbrite.
Okay.
The link is actually in my bio on Instagram, and it's in the bio of Starpoint Entertainment Instagram
Okay.
and 1122
Okay.
Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you don't want to buy tickets
Mhm.
and you just want to pay on the door,
Right.
then it's just £20 on the door. We're not overcharge nobody. Same price as a headphone party.
Yeah.
Okay
Only
then.
thing event is no headphone. It's loud music, like
Bass,
good old vibes, like
bass
Ah.
line in
29.
your chest. Yes.
Yeah, bass
Right.
line in a kind of thing. Then
All right
also
then.
also as well,
Mhm.
very important to know, we have some VIP booths
Okay.
there in the venue, right?
Okay. Yes.
So if you're rolling out with your team, say for example, you know, 4 or 5 ladies together,
Mhm.
6 ladies together, and you know,
Yes.
month end and you just get pay and thing. Why not just grab a VIP boat? VIP boat is like £240.
Right.
That works out like £25 each, I think, or like £30, something like that.
Okay.
You get 2 bottles of top champagne or
Yes.
top shelf liquor. You get a slice of mommy's good cake, you know what I mean, fruit cake,
Okay.
you know what I mean?
Okay.
And few other little surprises in some goodie bags and lion style merchandise and some whole little other nice fancy stuff. You see me?
So people just need to get there. They need to be there.
They need to be there and they need to be there on time as well because what's
What
this?
time are we working with?
All right. So the doors open at what? The first DJ is gonna start playing at 8 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, every hour we're gonna have surprises. I don't
Okay.
want to give away too much, you know.
Okay.
But it's not one of these events that you want to forward and you know how being a dance time. I roll up 2 o'clock. No. You have a short change yourself. You roll up 2 o'clock. Because church the party done anyway.
Right.
You need to be by 8 so that you can witness and vision the entrance.
Mhm.
You can see the cake getting sliced.
Right.
You can see the speeches. You can see the dance, the premiere. We have a couple
Everything.
things. The premiere, everything.
Everything. You just need to be there on time.
100%.
And the last
100%.
entry is at what time?
All right, so we're doing the last entry at 11.
Okay.
But we may be flexible for people who purchase tickets, especially if they're coming from far.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
some people come from like Birmingham and Galchester and Midland. So these people, you know, we're going to be a bit flexible. But people try and be there by 11.
Okay then, no problem. So we're looking forward to that. So go over to Beanie G's Instagram page, Starpoint's Instagram page, look into the bio, click the link to get your tickets, and don't be late, guys. It's going to be a fabulous event, and you don't know the Upnlive Show team will be there. A Touch of Blue, which is Beanie G's birthday party. Yeah?
Yeah.
All
and
right.
I can add one more thing, yeah?
Quickly.
One more thing, listen.
Quickly, Beanie.
The touch of blue,
Yes.
people is very important. Blue is my favorite color.
Okay.
I think my first word was blue. My mother said my first word was blue. Zin?
Yeah.
So, people, ladies for even on a fingernail, and them for even on a shoelace, wear something blue.
Liquor piece.
If I even a COVID mask, wear something blue.
All right, then, boss man. No problem.
Yeah?
No problem. So yeah, we'll definitely be there, and we will thank you for joining us, and we'll speak soon. Yeah.
Thank you very much for reaching out. And God bless. Lion style,
Blessings.
tough lion style. right.
No problem. Take care. And moving quickly, just to wrap up the weekend, Mega Vibes presents Summer Splash, the ultimate wet and wild party. Sunday, August 1st from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Get more information from them. And just look out for more information more events that are forwarding up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're running out of time.
We have nothing else to talk about. You want to add anything else?
Not at this moment. We're going to juggle some music and then bring in the Buzzing Queen because the Buzzing Queen is here. You understand? So we're going to drop some music. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we are your Upnlive Show team. Here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by Shish Prince. So stick and stay. Share the link. We'll be back shortly.
All right, people, you go on now.